Claude have just released Ultraplan. No more plans like this inside of Terminal. Now we can use them directly inside Claude Code on the web. It means we can actually see what's going on inside the plan, and we can even, look at this, we can leave little emojis like this here, or we can even leave comments for specific changes that we want to make. Now, that was not all. We have down here the ability to either approve Claude Code's plan and start coding directly here on the web, meaning we can now shut down our computer and it will keep running, or we can approve the plan and teleport back to our local terminal and run it directly inside of here. So, Ultraplan, what the heck is going on? Well, normally when you're planning out stuff, if you're going to build anything, you always use plan. Why? Because it actually makes Claude Code think about what it's going to do. So you'd normally use this /plan, and then it would go and it would create this plan. It would take, however many minutes, and then it would come back with this here, which is kind of hard to see. You don't really understand it fully. It's all in terminal. You can't jump by sections. It's a bit of a nightmare, to be fair. So instead now what we can do is we can do what's called /Ultraplan. So let me just approve this and we'll go back to terminal and I'll show you how you can get Ultraplan working for yourself here. So I'll just close out all of this. Let's cancel that. So all you have to do is go into Claude Code, make sure you're in the latest version, and then once you're in there, all you have to do is /Ultraplan. If you press tab, you can then see that it wants you to add in a prompt. Now, if I just press enter, you'll see that it tells you how to use it. So /Ultraplan prompt, or just include that in the prompt somewhere, so like write an Ultraplan. And what it does is it opens up a remote plan mode with rich web editing experience, so that's what I've just shown you, and it runs in Claude Code on the web, meaning it's all online like this. You can then just get it to run directly here, switch your computer off, you can go onto your phone and check the status, etc. Now, one thing to note though, is because it's on the web, I think this is the reason. If you open a new session, you'll see that you have to select a repository for it to actually code on the web. So because of that, you do have to have this as a repo, but you can just ask Claude Code or it will do it for you. So let me show you how to actually use it here. So we'll just go Ultra, press tab, and then I'll say the same as the other one actually. Plan out a portfolio website for me, please, blah, blah, blah. And then here it pops up and it will say, run Ultraplan in the cloud, ? You can just do yes, or press enter, and then it will start Claude Code on the web, and there you go. Now it will say we can monitor progress at this URL. So you can either copy this, or we can press down and it'll go to Ultraplan, and then you can press down again. You can see you can open this in the web, stop it, or go back. And if you press enter on opening the web, it will then open it up. There we go. Open up a new tab that goes directly to this Claude Code session on the web here. And you can see that it even asks you questions, so it's pretty interactive. So you click on that one here. You can even skip them if you want. And there we go. And it will just go through here and it will keep building out this plan, and you can follow along directly here. On the terminal side of things, it says that you can continue working, and this just runs in the background, so you can ask it to do other things here in the meantime. Now if I come back over here, let me see, so got it, software developer, blah, 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 let me write a plan. And we can see it actually working here, and then when it's done, it will show us that same thing that we had at the beginning, where we can leave comments, etc. So the main thing here, the main difference is that it automatically, there we go, it's so fast, automatically pops out here to the Claude Code in the web, and that you can then just run it automatically from here, and that we can interactively edit and update and view, which is so important, the actual plan itself. So go and check it out, let me know how you get on. If you want lessons like this we have our school community where I have my entire Claude Code masterclass, which includes lessons like this before they go live on YouTube, as well as all the applications that I'm building for the entrepreneurs using Claude Code. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.